So in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw part 10 of the tractor. So first thing, create document, part 10 tractor. Hit create. I'm going to hit sketch. I'm going to draw it on the top plane. Look straight down at it. So here's the piece here. We start with a circle here. And they're all radius 3.5, any undimensioned circle. So C on your keyboard, D for dimension 3.5. Right to that is this bigger circle that's actually in a different position. So we'll draw these two circles here next. We'll actually just draw one. We'll hit C for circle. And again, D for dimension. I'm going to make this here 3.5. So these here are 15 apart. So D for dimension. Click here, 15 apart. And then this here then is up 28 from here. So from here to here, 28. Then outside of that there then is a radius 5. So circle, C on the keyboard, D for dimension. Now if it's radius 5, its diameter is 10. And we're going to draw a line, L for line. The outside of this down, straight down. And then we're going to do tangent, just to make sure that there is a tangent to there. Next, we're going to draw this big circle here. So its radius 10 and its distance is 10 from here to here. So draw a circle here. Dimension from here to the center is 10. And its radius 10, so diameter 20. Next, you can see then that this hits just right here in the corner. So we're going to draw a line up here and trim that there. So if we go L for line here, and then line on down, M for trim. And this is a tangent, so L for line. Pick this point here and bring it up. Doesn't really matter where it hits the circle because what we're going to do, tangent this line and this circle. Perfect. And you can see there's a wee bit extra there, so we're going to trim that bit up there. Also, this is extra. We don't need this, so we're going to trim that there. Also, this is extra, so we're going to trim that. And what we'll do now is we'll mirror this. Sorry, mirror again. It's this line we want to mirror about, and it's this, and that is it. Yep, that's it completed.